Hey, what's up, everybody? Let me take a quick moment to explain to you what is MCA. What is MCA? MCA is basically Motor Club of America. It's been around since I think 1926, so it's been around for a real long time. How to make your first sale if you're on Team Good Life? This is how you do it. You make sure you join the team. That's number one, so you can get the free training. The free training is available to anyone who is interested in joining Team Good Life. When you join Team Good Life, you could either join free or you could join and have the membership for yourself. I recommend having the membership. I have the membership. Why? Because I want to know what the product offers. I want to know how it works. I want to know what happens if I need roadside assistance, how long they're going to take, what type of people they're going to bring, what type of people they're going to send, how is the service. Because I would never offer something that I haven't tried myself. So how you get your first sale? Well, I'm gonna say it easy. It's not that easy if you don't follow the directions. If you don't follow the instructions, it won't be that easy. So what I will tell you is this. Number one, you need to sign on to Team Good Life. That's my team, so you know I'm gonna represent that. If you don't want to sign up to Team Good Life, you can sign up to teams that are out there, reputable teams. And the reason why I say reputable teams, because everybody is online saying that they're pro at this, selling websites, selling landing pages, and all that. So all the confusion could be eliminated or even put through some kind of like a funnel system, so that way you know who's legit and who's not. So to get your first sale, join Team Good Life. That's what I recommend. I'll leave all the details below the video. The business opportunity is a great opportunity. If you haven't seen the video I put out about the basics of TVC marketing, which is the main company, Trucker's Voice in the courts. If you haven't seen that video yet of the basics, make sure you click the link below and watch that video as well. It will give you some ideas that can really free up your financial situation. I do this as stream number 6, and I'm looking for one more business because I believe that we should have 7 streams of income. And so if you want to be the membership side of things, it's all good. It's like AAA on steroids. I'm telling you, it gives you so much more. And like I said, they've been around for a very long time. They're rated A+ with the Better Business Bureau. Check it out yourself if you don't believe it. And no, it's not a scam. Anything that you have to invest in yourself, people call a scam. If it's for free, it's for me. That's fine and dandy. But if you don't invest anything, at least if I don't invest anything, I'm not going to put anything into it either. So it's your brother, Mr. Sam Lopez, just making my little spiel of what MCA is. I've been doing it since March of 2018, right? And I'm seeing some success, trying to build up a team, and it's in the starting stages. But it works. The system that I'm in works. The team that I am in has a large community, man, a large community. Last time I checked, they said it was over 50,000 members. When you look at the membership like that, the community is rich with a lot of Q&As, a lot of tips of how to do this thing. So to all my other entrepreneurs out there, if you're looking for another stream of income, check out MCA. Don't believe the hype of all the people that's saying negative things about MCA. A lot of times the people who have negative things to say about MCA, TVC, and the marketing program and everything is because they had a bad experience. And then when you have a bad experience, they want everybody to go down with it. And a scam, you can't call something that you make money with a scam, especially when you have such a little investment to put in to get into this type of business. Online marketing, there's a lot of people out there, a lot of people doing all kind of stuff, a lot of people offering all kind of things. But I only choose what works for me, and I only offer what works for me. If I could do it, anybody could do it. So with that said, check out the details below. Click the link. If you're not a Team Good Life member already, what are you waiting for? Peace.